Tamilnadu 12th Standard Physics, book back multi-choice questions and answers. Chapter 3, Magnetism and Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Question number 31. Magnetic field at the center O of the following current loop is option A, mu naught I by 4R cross product, B, mu naught I by 4R dot product, C, mu naught I by 2R cross product, D, mu naught I by 2R dot product. The right answer for this question is option A, mu naught I by 4R cross product. Question number 32. An electron moves in a straight line inside a charged parallel plate capacitor of uniform charge density sigma. The time taken by the electron to cross the parallel plate capacitor undeflected when the plates of the capacitor are kept under constant magnetic field of induction B vector is option A, epsilon naught ELB by sigma, B, epsilon naught LB by sigma L, C, epsilon naught LB by E sigma, D, epsilon naught LB by sigma. The right answer for this question is option D, epsilon naught LB by sigma. Question number 33. The force experienced by a particle having mass m and charge q accelerated to a potential difference v when it is kept under the perpendicular magnetic field B vector is option A, root of 2q cube BV by m, B, root of q cube B square V by 2m, C, root of 2q cube B square V by m, D, root of 2q cube BV by m cube. The right answer for this question is option C, root of 2q cube B square V by m. Question number 34. A circular coil of radius 5 cm and 50 turns carries a current of 3 ampere. The magnetic dipole moment of the coil is nearly option A, 1.0 ampere meter square, B, 1.2 ampere meter square, C, 0.5 ampere meter square, D, 0.8 ampere meter square. And the right answer for this question is option B, 1.2 ampere meter square. Question number 35. A thin insulated wire forms a plane spiral of n equal to 100 tight turns carrying a current I equal to 8 mA, that is milliampere. The radii of inside and outside turns are A equal to 50 mm and B equal to 100 mm respectively. The magnetic induction at the center of the spiral is option A, 5 mu t, B, 7 mu t, C, 8 mu t, D, 10 mu t. The right answer is option B, 7 mu t. Question number 36. 3 wires of equal lengths are bent in the form of loops. One of the loop is circle, another is semicircle, and the third one is square. They are placed in a uniform magnetic field and same electric current is passed through them. Which of the following loop configuration will experience greater torque Q? Option A, circle, B, semicircle, C, square, D, all of them. And the right answer is option A, circle. Question number 37. 2 identical coils, each with n turns and radius r, are placed coaxially at the distance r as shown in the figure. If I is the current passing through the loops in the same direction, then the magnetic field at a point P, which is at exactly a distance r by 2,
between two coils is
option A 8n mu naught I by root 5 R, B 8n mu naught I by 5 power 3 by 2 R, C 8n mu naught I by 5 R, C 4n mu naught I by root 5 R. The right answer is option B 8n mu naught I by 5 3 by 2 R.
Question number 38. A wire of length I carries a current I along the y direction and magnetic field is given by B vector equal to B by root 3 into I cap plus J cap plus K cap. The magnitude of Lorentz force acting on the wire is
option A root 2 by 3 B into I into L, B root 1 by 3 B into I into L, C root 2 B into I into L, D root 1 by 3 B into I into L. The right answer is option A root 2 by 3 B into I into L.
Question number 39. A bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment M is bent in the form of an arc as shown in the figure. The new magnetic dipole moment will be option A M, B 3 by pi M, C 2 by pi M, D 1 by 2 M. And the right answer for this question is option B 3 by pi M. Question number 40.
A non-conducting charged ring carrying a charge of Q, mass M, and radius R is rotated about its axis with constant angular speed omega. Find the ratio of its magnetic moment with angular momentum. Option A Q by M, B 2Q by M, C Q by 2M, D Q by 4M. And the right answer is option C Q by 2M.
Question number 41.
The BH curve for a ferromagnetic material is shown in the figure. The material is placed inside a long solenoid which contains 1000 turns per centimeter. The current that should be passed in the solenoid to demagnetize the ferromagnet completely is option A 1.00 mA, B 1.25 mA, C 1.50 mA, D 1.75 mA. And the right answer for this question is option C 1.50 mA.
Question number 42.
Two short bar magnets have magnetic moments 1.20 am square and 1.00 am square respectively. They are kept on a horizontal table parallel to each other with their north poles pointing towards south. They have a common magnetic equator and are separated by a distance of 20.0 cm. The value of the resultant horizontal magnetic induction at the midpoint O of the line joining their centers is, within brackets, horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic induction is 3.6 into 10 power minus 5 WB m power minus 2. Option A 3.60 into 10 power minus 5 WB m power minus 2. B 3.5 into 10 power minus 5 WB m power minus 2. C 2.56 into 10 power minus 4 WB m power minus 2. D 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 WB m power minus 2. The right answer for this question is option C 2.56 into 10 power minus 4 WB m power minus 2.
Question number 43.
A flat dielectric disk of radius r carries an excess charge on its surface. The surface charge density is sigma. The disk rotates about an axis perpendicular to its plane, passing through the center with angular velocity omega. Find the magnitude of the torque Q on the disk if it's placed in a uniform magnetic field whose strength is B, which is directed perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Option A, 1 by 4 sigma omega pi Br. Option B, 1 by 4 sigma omega pi Br square. Option C, 1 by 4 sigma omega pi Br cube. Option D, 1 by 4 sigma omega pi Br power 4. And the right answer for this question is option D, 1 by 4 sigma omega pi Br power 4. Question number 44. A simple pendulum with charged bob is oscillating with the time period t and let theta be the angular displacement. If the uniform magnetic field is switched on in a direction perpendicular to the plane of oscillation, then option A, time period will decrease but theta will remain constant. Option B, time period remain constant but theta will decrease. Option C, both t and theta will remain the same. Option D, both t and theta will decrease. And the right answer for this question is option C, both t and theta will remain the same.
This revision guide video is sponsored by AMET University, India's first maritime deemed to be university. We also thank our advertiser, NMC College, the only full-time auditing college.